Hey guys, this week on Hey Sabri, I'm going to be answering Dolapo Adedayo's question. I'm sorry for butchering your name. Hey Sabri, thanks for the great content again. You're welcome. It's the first time I got a call with a client already shopping around. What's the best way to handle this objection when they say, hey, I'm talking to like 3 other agencies right now, but please send me your proposal? Great question. And my advice on this is to definitely not send them a proposal, right? Because you really need to understand what it is that they're trying to solve and what the problem is. So I would just say something like, yeah, like no problems. I'm not going to be able to send you a proposal until I know what exactly it is that you're trying to achieve. And that's just going to open up a dialogue. And then once I've opened up that dialogue and I really start to get clear of exactly the problem that they're looking to solve, I fixate myself on being able to articulate and understand that problem than any of the other 3 agencies will be able to do that they are going to call, right? And if I can clearly articulate that much better and in much more forensic detail, then that prospect is going to believe that I am the best person to help them solve that problem. And I am, because I understand their problem more. And I will never, like, you know, there's a saying in baseball which is like, don't swing at anything ugly. And that means like you don't want to pitch somebody if they're not already sold. And think about just think about what I just said. That's pretty crazy, right? You don't want to pitch anybody until they're sold. And what I mean by that is you need to understand that what is the problem that they're looking to solve? Can I help them do that? And then only then, once they're really clear on where it is that they are right now and where they want to go, and I have articulated it in a way that is very clear and succinct, only then will I send them a proposal. And then I will ask them, if I know that they're going to be shopping around, I will ask them, look, you mentioned that you're going around and you're speaking to a bunch of other people. What is really important when you're looking for an agency to partner with? Is it just the money? Is it just the price? Because if that's the case, we're not going to be a great fit, right? And so I really want to get clear on what it is that they value in that relationship. Is it attention to detail? Is it just price? Do they want to be able to come in and see somebody face to face? Like, what is it that they value in that relationship? And then seeing whether or not I'm going to be able to deliver that. And if I don't feel like I can deliver that, I will tell that prospect, hey, look, for what you've just told me, I don't think that we're going to be a great fit, but I can point you in the direction for someone that is. Oh, like, why do you say that? Like, immediately that separates you from everybody else that's out in the marketplace, because most salespeople are just desperate to do exactly that and make a sale at all costs. They don't care about what the actual second and third order consequences of that are, or if they can even deliver the best outcome for that person. And when you're really honest with somebody and you're like, hey, like, I don't think it's going to be a great fit, right? Then they usually start selling you on how they really like your honesty and that why they think that you would be a great fit. Because all you're trying to do is be different to what everybody else is doing. Because then it just becomes this huge dog and pony show, where it's just like they're just throwing peanuts at you and saying dance monkey, and then it's like everyone's just trying to come down on price and include all these bells and whistles. That's not really what they want. They don't want the bells and whistles. They want their problem solved. And that's what you just want to fixate. You never want to send anybody a proposal or sell anybody or pitch anybody anything until you fully understand the problem that they're looking to solve, and only offering them a solution to that problem if you believe that you can help them. I hope that helps. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you click the like button and subscribe. We're dropping a video on YouTube every other day. And if you've got any questions about any of the content that I covered in this video, just basically leave a comment with hashtag heysabri in the comment section. And every week we're also trying to go through all those questions and get them answered. So go ahead, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.